Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I am so super excited to show you this flex rubber by Resin. So this is such an interesting kit and you will definitely love this one. So let's open it. So we get some popsicle sticks, and this is actually flocking powder, and it's actually used for covering the thing that we are going to make with this kit. So we get different colors: black, blue, purple, and then there is a pink and there is a white. And then we get some bags, and I will show you the reason behind these. And then this is the mold that we get in the kit. So these are cute paws, and these are mixing cups. So this is a plastic box, and it is meant for using flocking when you put your flocking inside, and this is actually the silicone that is going to be used in making this squishy. So I was really looking forward for this kit because this is my favorite, making these squishies. And when Resin released this kit, I was super excited. So this is the instruction kit that you need to see. So it is actually 1-to-1, so it's really easy to mix. So I'm using the hamster mold that I have, and if you know that I tried this thing before, but the silicone that I had was not correct for this. So this is going to be the correct silicone, and let's start. So as I explained that it is 1-to-1, so you have to mix the ratios. Just be careful because it is a silicone and you need to take care of the ratios. So I'm going to mix the required amount for this hamster, and then I will be adding to the paws also. So you have to mix it for around 4 to 5 minutes. And the colors that I'm going to use are the Chameleon powders by Resin. So I'm going to add this into the silicone, as these are perfect and they mix well in the silicone. So I'm just selecting the color that I want to use. So I'm going with a little, and then I will see if I need more. So after doing this, it is recommended that you need a Vaseline, and you just apply it inside the mold. So in this way it don't stick to the silicone, and when you're demolding it is easy. So just make sure that you put the Vaseline on every nooks and crannies. And after doing that, now I'm going to pour this into the hamster mold. So this silicone is on the runny side, so I'm sure that it will reach all the corners. So after putting into the hamster, now I'm going to open this one, and I will be putting this remaining silicone into the cat paws. Again, I'm applying the Vaseline into the mold. So now I'm adding a little different color of mica into the previously mixed, because I'm going to change the color a little bit. So after mixing the silicone, I'm going to pour this into these tiny spaces, and then I will be filling this one. So it's really up to you what color combinations you want to go with. So I'm just going with what I'm thinking and what's my mind is telling me. So after pouring, I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and I'm going to demold. So when I was watching this, to me it was looking like that it is not cured, but it is cured, believe me. But because this is a different silicone, it's my first time experiencing it. So I'm going to take out the box now, because it is time. As soon as I'm going to remove this out of the mold, I am going to use the flocking powder. I'm going to use a blue flocking powder on this one. So I'm just pouring this inside the plastic box. I'm really happy that the kit is so amazing. It has all the tools you need for making these squishes, and very carefully they have designed it. So I'm going to pour the amount I need, and now back to demold. One thing is that you need to remove it a bit carefully. So I am really gently removing it out of the mold. It is coming out because we have applied the Vaseline before inside the mold. So it is out of the mold, and directly I will be putting this into the flocking powder. So make sure you just apply it evenly. You use a brush. So after doing this, I will be doing the same to the other one. So I will be changing the flocking powder in between. So those are done now, and on to the hamsters. For hamster, I'm going to use this white flocking powder. So the process is same. I'm going to demold it first, and then I will be putting the hamster into this flocking powder. So the flocking powder, what actually is the purpose of flocking powder is that when you remove this out of the mold, the silicone is a bit on the sticky side. So when you apply the flocking powder, it is very easy to handle, and you can play with these very gently and carefully. I will be demolding this one. So this cutie is out of the mold, and you can see what I'm talking about. It is sticky, but this is cured silicone. It is meant to be like this. So now this boy is going inside the flocking powder. And here we go. So such a squishy and squiggly one. I really love to this one. The texture is amazing. I really recommend you to try this, guys. It is so amazing. I will link this in my description with the discount code. I think you need to try this. I'm loving the texture of the silicone, and it is so real life-like that if you need a pet, you can have a pet like this. So this is how I'm using the brush, and I'm applying it to every area so it is not exposed. So the flocking is done now, and on to the crucial part, and the crucial part is this. We are going to add some more cuteness to this hamster. So I'm using this blush just to give the beautiful rosy cheeks to this little one. We are doing a makeup to him. And now with the help of a UV resin, I'm going to stick the eyes, and then I will cure it under the UV lamp. So on to the next step, and the next step is that how you're going to present the cat paws. So here comes the plastic bags. You need to remove one bag out of the bundle, and you can put anything in this bag. I'm going to use some crystals, and for my pink I will be using this rose quartz. So this is an idea for you. If you're making gift for someone, you can use crystals, and it is going to be a healing therapy. This product on its own is such a healing therapy for anyone. You can make these for your loved one that have lost their pets, and this can be a lovely gift for them. So you can add any crystals of their likeness. So I'm adding a little bit of glitter and then some crystals. So when you're happy with your end product, you put the paw inside the bag, and then you just seal it up. So in this way you get a lovely goodie bag. And now this is ready to play, and now you can play all you want. And I will be making the second one in the same way. I'm just showing you it is such a perfect consistency of a silicone. And for my next one, I'm going to give it a bit fantasy look. So the beads that I selected for this one are these iridescent beads. So I will be doing the same which I did to the previous one. So these are all done now, and I will show you the final results. So here we go. This is our hamsters. He was a bit shy to face the camera, but in the end we decided to do so. So this is your squishy boy. So I'm just showing you how soft this is, and I will highly recommend you that you need to try this. It is such a fun kit, and you can make so many out of them. So it's definitely a very lovely and cute kit that Let's Resin has made. And this hamster is going to be our favorite pet for some time now. And I think he will be accompanying me in my resin projects from now on. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked this project. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.